Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to do the sunflower. We'll need these things: 233 Wilton tip, that's also called the hair tip. It's got a bunch of little holes at the top. And then we're going to do the large leaf tip, which is a number 366 from Wilton. And that's about one of the largest leaf tips they have, I think. And then we're going to need a couple of these piping bags and the Maricolor lemon yellow and then the Maricolor orange. I'm going to mix those together with using mostly the yellow and a little dash of that orange. That's the pastry bags that I use. First, we're going to mix up our buttercream, and if you want the recipe, I'll be posting that in the description below. I squirted in that lemon yellow there, and then a dash of the orange. And then mix that up, and voila. Now we're going to put the piping nozzle into the bag. So we're going to cut the bags so that the nozzle fits halfway in, but not too big, or we'll pop the tip right out of the bag as soon as we apply pressure when we're squeezing the buttercream out. So we're going to put that in, and then we're going to do the same thing with the little hair tip, only we're going to put chocolate in that one's bag. We're going to fold our bag down in half because it's easier to stuff it full of buttercream that way. And stuff it we do. There it goes. And then I'm going to shake it down, and then I'm going to squeeze the frosting so that it goes all the way down to the center, twist the bag, and then hold the bag at the top of that twist so that I just apply pressure from the top. And you're always going to squeeze, let it build, and release every time you do a petal. I'm going to put a little bit of buttercream first on the cupcake so that the petals will have somewhere to stick to. Otherwise, they won't stick very well to the cupcake itself with this stiffer frosting here. We're going to first start with the outer layer of petals. So you're going to want to go a little bit in when you do that first outer layer so that the petals have somewhere to go. Then we're just going to go all around and do that first layer of petal. And the reason that plate keeps magically appearing in all of these video shots is that my 2-year-old kept thinking that I would put a cupcake on it for her. She was a little disappointed, this time anyway. And here's the second layer. I kind of stagger those petals as I go around and do the second layer. Just another inner circle. And then with the chocolate, I'm going to start by squeezing first directly in the center. And then I'm going to make a squeeze all around that center one that kind of overlaps that last layer of petals so that it all looks like it's part of the flower itself. And there's that plate again. And that is the first sunflower cupcake. I'll do a couple more on a little faster speed so you can see it a couple more times. Also for this order, I had done 3 other kinds of cupcakes: the rose, the peony, and the pansy. And you'll be seeing those videos on here too. So if you want to check those out, feel free to do so. I'll show you a picture at the end of what all those cupcakes look like together. And there's the center again. There's that sunflower. And then one more time, spreading the frosting on. Then I do the outer layer. inner layer, and then the center. And there it is. Thanks for watching, and please check out my other videos.